Welcome back. I've been going over this van. I got one thing fixed already. That video is going to be out next week. But today, we're going to learn how to replace the blinker on this 2002 E350. In the vehicle, I'm going to put the flashers on. We can clearly see that one is flashing over there. However, this one is not. This is the blinkers, brake light, and tail light. So it's all one bulb. And to get to that bulb, we have 4 Torx screws. Unscrew all 4 of these. Once you pull those screws out, the light will just come right out. Once you pull this away from the vehicle, you can have your reverse light here, your brake light, your tail light as you're driving, and your blinker here. We can't get this off just by turning it, so we have to unplug the bulb. And there's just 2 tabs. There's one on this side that's already broken. There's one right here. So push that out and then pull the plug out. Once you pull that plug out, this one's going to rotate counterclockwise and the bulb will come right out. Once you get your new plug, put it back in, rotate it clockwise, plug the wire back in, place the light back where it goes, reinsert 1 screw so you know it's secure, and then test it out. So we'll turn the hazards on, and it's hard to see because it's bright out, but it is flashing. Same with this side. Now, reinsert the rest of the screws. And that's it. Now you've replaced your brake light, your blinker, and your tail light at the same time. I want to thank you for watching this video. Look forward to more videos on this 2002 E350. I've got plenty more coming out. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the page, and leave a comment down below. If you guys want to help out the channel at all, I do have a Patreon. Link is in the description down below. Support the Patreon page with $1, $2, or even $50. I have different levels of rewards. Depending on which one you choose, that's the reward that you get. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.